Again, I'm using LumeFlow for the Seedance 2.0 as you have seen in my last video as well. So let me show you the output that I'm talking about. So I have provided it a grid here, and with the help of that grid, it created this video. So let me just play for you guys so you guys can actually see what we have generated. Okay. So this was created with a storyboard that I have provided in the Omni Reference of Seedance. So let me show you the whole process now. As you can see, I have some references open. Again, you can search here for what we say film storyboard, and you will get lots of references here. So you can say this is a Jedi reference here, Star Wars Jedi. And let me show you mine as well, so you will get a idea what I have got. So this is what I have created, and you saw this in the like 15-second trailer as well, or teaser as well. Okay, so this is how I generated this with the help of Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. You can use any that you want. So let's just go to ChatGPT and let's just right click and copy image. Let's just paste this here, and you can say it's getting loaded here. So let's just use ChatGPT here. Okay, I have used Claude, but you can use ChatGPT as well. So let's just press enter the same prompt. And you can see this is a cinematic storyboard grade, and let's break it to high impact concept you can generate. Okay, so you can see this is the one story that it has generated, like the last guardian of Earth. So this is also looking nice. You can see masked guardian standing in ruined futuristic Earth, close up, tired eyes, ancient. Then you can see reincarnation loop. Okay, so we are basically going around dark fantasy, sci-fi, mythic, and if you have your own ideas, you can definitely do that as well. It's up to you what you want to generate. I'm liking this a lot. Cyberpunk city, wide shot, robot activation, massive AI hologram over city, human worshipping server room, AI showing emotion twist. Okay, and then we have the Hanumanji as well, and then we have the boy who controls time, city freezes, and there are lots of things. So let's say if you want to go for a story, let's say this one, this I like a lot. So let's go for idea one. So we can go for idea one. So you can see we are going to have this here, and we are going to get this thing, but I'm going to show you a method here which you can use to get the storyboard that you want. So what I am going to do, I am going to write here a prompt after all the scenes are generated. You can see we are getting this scene generation here. Scene 1 is our fallen earth. Scene 2 is our the last hope. Scene 3 is our broken past. Scene 4 is arrival. So you can see we are getting all the stuff here. Okay, and you are getting it by scene. So let's just stop it here, and I'm going to directly type here. So let's just stop and let's just type, give me a copy paste Nano Banana Pro prompt to create this with all details. So it is going to have a one grid here. You can see a cinematic storyboard grid layout showing 8 scenes from a sci-fi short film. And you can see we are getting all the scenes here which are getting written. So let's just go to flow here. You can see I have generated this with the help of Claude only. Okay, so I provided it with a reference I found on the internet, and then I gave it a story, and according to that story it gave me this scenes. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 scenes. Okay, and here you can see we have this 9 scenes. This is looking actually really good. So I am going to download this out. Let's go for 2K. I'm going to do this scene cinematic teaser, but you can do yours as well. So you can see we are getting this 1:1 aspect ratio. Not an issue. Let's just copy this out, and let's just close this, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to go for aspect ratio of 16:9 here. Okay, so you can see we have the style and mode composition, and we can just give it here using Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro, whichever you guys prefer. You can use it. this is a wide screen setup, you can see this is also looking actually good. You can use this as well for a wide setup as well, but I am going to use this one only. And you can use LumeFlow as well to generate this, but I am using Nano. I am using Google Flow only. So let's just wait for a bit and let's just see what we get. And if we don't get it enough cinematic, we are going to tell AI that I want more cinematic stuff. Okay, so let's just wait here, and it's almost finished here. You can see if you get a thing called, let's say, a short name, short 1, short 2, short 3, short 4, short 5, you can tell AI by giving that image that you got, and tell the AI that I don't want this short 1, short 2 written anything like that, and I want a clean prompt. So it will give you that result as well. So here you can see this is looking actually nice. Okay, you can see the fallen hero, the gun. Here you can see he's going through and he's at the end standing against evil here. And here you can see this is also looking good here. Okay, I think I like this version a lot, but let me just rerun this with Nano Banana Pro as well, so we can actually see what we get here. And you can see we are not getting that short 1, short 2, but we are not getting that cinematic result. So what I will do, I will show you a technique to get that cinematic result, that film grain, lens flare. You can write it in AI only by giving this image itself, and it will rewrite it. So let's just wait for Nano Banana Pro here, because I think Nano Banana Pro will give us a better result. So you can see if I click on this here, it's I think using, yeah, it's using Nano Banana 2 here, which is looking good. And I think this is using Nano Banana Pro here. Okay, and you can see we have got this. So it messed up a bit here, but I like this result as I told you. So let's just right click and copy image, or let's say if we cannot open, we are just going to download it in 2K. So let's just download it here, and I'm going to upload it again here as well. So I can say that I want a cinematic lens flare here. So this is the image that we have got, and we are going to write, I got this, but I want more cinematic, like shot on film camera lens, okay, flare grain, etc. And I don't want text, but we already don't have text any. So let's just type here and let's just press enter. So it is going to give me a new prompt, but with more cinematic touch, like Dune, Batman, Blade Runner, you can see here. And it is going to look much more better here. Okay, so you are going to see this process, and you can do it with Gemini, Claude, any open LLM source or any AI that you want. It is going to give you some really amazing result with this. And because Seedance 2 is now released, it is going to take only one image and create a, what we say, a world out of it, like a teaser trailer or something like that. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and I'm going to do a aspect ratio of 16:9. Okay, I did Nano Banana Pro. Okay, but I'm going to do Nano Banana 2 here. So till this is getting done here, I'm going to just rerun this. Okay, so let's just rerun this here, and let's just do here Nano Banana 2, and let's just rerun this. Okay, so till this is getting done, let's just go and set up our Seedance here, Seedance 2.0. So you can see we are into LumeFlow AI, and I'm going to use this for Seedance 2.0 because it's now officially in top 10 AI platforms who provide Seedance 2.0 official. So that's a really great news. You can explore their plans as well, and right now they are having some really amazing discounts, and they give you like 80 free credits, 30 free when you sign up, and 40 when you sign up on Discord. So you get around 80 free credits. You can create like a 5 to like a 10-second clip of Seedance, and you can check whether it's worth it for you or not. Okay, so let's just go here as well, and till this is getting generated, you can now see we are really liking this result. But now what we have, we have this scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Okay, right now it's looking good, but we don't want this. So again, we can go into our, what we say, ChatGPT, and we can say we don't want this grid here. Okay, this is actually looking nice, guys. You can see he's picking up the gun, he's going on another planet, and he's going to battle. So this is looking good, right? Okay, so let's say if you want this, you can go for this as well. And now you can tell ChatGPT to remove all this stuff here which is written. So you can do that as well. Okay, so let's just now start with this frame only. I'm going to use this frame for our sedans. So now what we want a text here. So I'm going to provide a prompt here. Let's just right click, copy this image, paste it here, because I'm going to use this and I'm going to paste this prompt here. You can pause the video and take this here. So the prompt says, let's take image 1 as a live action reference, create a 15-second video trailer with a cyberpunk. Okay, so I have told it I want prompt like this for our story, which I have attached image in reference for Seedance 2.0 Omni. Make sure prompt is as per the example I have shared. Prompt structure. Okay, so let's just write prompt structure and let's just press enter. So now it will analyze our own story which we have created here, and it is going to give us a prompt like this here. You can see image 1 as a create a 15-second cinematic video trailer, sequence begin. So it's giving like a huge scene. Okay, we don't want that. We want like Seedance to take care of all the stuffs. So you can do that as well. So let's just pause this and I am going to tell it, give me like this only. Okay, so it is going to make sure that it is going to have the short, sharp, same structure, no breakdown. Okay, so now you can see we have got this here, and let's just copy this out. Now we are going to go to LumeFlow. Let's just go to image to video. Okay, now here you need to change to Seedance 2.0, and here you need to make sure that you are into Omni Reference, because we need to upload here our reference image. So this is our reference image. Now I'm going to click on open here, and it is going to take some time. Now there are two modes here, Seedance 2.0 fast and Seedance 2.0 Pro. I prefer to use the Pro version because in fast you get some good results, but it sometimes messes it up. So I use Seedance 2.0 here, and here I am going to paste the same prompt here, but I am going to write here @image1. So you can see this image 1 is that as a live action reference, create a 15 seconds video trailer in a post-apocalypse with a shadow, fiery battlefield. Okay, no text and all that stuff is written. But let's say if you want to make it more shorter, you can definitely do